What are you doing today, Gavin?
I'm fishing the back bay, baby.
Back bay, baby. What's up, guys? And we are back in Newport Bay today. Launching the boat. Got Gavin. Boat. Poles. That's all we need. We're gonna try and slam today. I'm feeling pretty confident.
Swore, bro.
What happened?
I don't know. Look, I guess I caught this shit like right on the very top.
Are you pretty bummed out right now?
Yeah. And over here.
Boys, we got a problem here. So the boat is leaking.
We're sinking.
We're sinking. Nah, just a small little leak, nothing crazy. Gavin thought he had a fish, missed him, but got a big piece of shit instead.
We like the piece
We're gonna keep going down, fishing the docks.
Shit, it's fine. You know what? If you're a piece of shit and someone catches you, they won't throw you back in, you know? Motivational speech right there.
Do you like girls?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good spotty, guys. Woo. It's a nice one.
It's a nice one. First one of the day, just got out here. Been about 20 minutes. Just casting into these docks right here. Woo. She wants to be released though. Woo. Let's go get them.
Where's the net? What happened?
I'm done.
Was there a fishy there?
What's up, guys? First fish in the boat. Just got out here, been about 20 minutes. Pretty windy, really overcast, but I think it's gonna be a good day. You ready, Gavin?
Just got this little guy on the bottom.
It's a nice little guy.
Make sure he's live.
What are you throwing today?
Just a little spinner bait.
Raw.
Yo guys, pretty windy out here. We have to go into the back country, you know, just to get away from all these foos over here.
The back country.
But, yeah, there's a lot of people over here, but we're going in the back to get away from the storms and shit, and we'll be good. Spit out a bunch of shit. Jack's
Nice
fish
little
number
spot.
2. Third on the day. Fishing under this bridge over here.
Oh, these look good. Right on top of the mouth. Just a little spotty. Oh, there's a duffy coming. Little spotty.
Then we can zoom in. Pretty fish actually. Yes. So,
Let him go.
caught a little one. Got a little crowd.
What's up, guys? Had a little crowd for that one. Fishing under this bridge. Out here in the bay. Just trying to hunt these spotties on a windy day.
Guys, we caught a little one, I think.
Got a nice one.
Wow.
Decent one.
Way back here.
Back in the back country.
Back here in the back country fishing for some largemouth bass. Caught a little largemouth out here. About 2'8". Weighed him, scaled him.
Nice little spotty.
Caught ourselves some dinner.
Let him go.
Oh, the camera got fucking wet.
What, like?
Caught ourselves a real small.
Oh, fast.
I got him a video. That one came off.
Nice and easy release, you know. Small guy. We don't need to see him on the boat.
Shout out
Probably
JB.
like it here. Shout out JB. You got one?
Fuck, I missed him.
No. What's up, guys? We're going to the GoPro. Going to the GoPro. Oh.
I always tell them.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't fish there anymore.
Oh, you're good.
Don't you have an Instagram? What do you guys?
I got a YouTube.
Okay, what is the name? Because I think we talked before.
SoCal Fishing.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
All right, guys. We're just gonna forget that I missed that halibut and keep on trucking.
You new light on over there? Tire?
That's kind of badass. And they probably just float around in here.
I don't know what that thing looks like. Dude, these are some sick ass houses. Look at this blue house, the backyard on top. It's like a fucking.
That is pretty baller.
There's people there too.
Got one.
You have camera do it?
Yeah, get it out. It's a decent one. A little redemption from the Halley. Swallowed that shit. Whoa. Swallowed that on the cool baits. Swim bait.
Another one bites the dust.
Let him go.
Alright guys, we fished all the little back channels today. A real fun day, something different. We caught like 5 or 6. I caught 2, Jack caught a couple. All in all, it was a fun day. Peace out.